most famous physical therapist on the internet.
Hi folks, I'm Bob Schrupp, physical therapist.
Brad Heineck, physical
And
therapist.
together we're the most famous physical therapists on the internet.
In our opinion, of course, Bob.
Today we're going to show you 9 brilliant ideas, if I must say so myself, which I have to because nobody else will, in easy ways to great posture.
There you go. Things you can do at home without going out and spending all kinds of money.
Yeah, let's start off with number 1, Brad.
What is it?
When you're standing or walking, I see so many people have poor posture. And a good check on that is just to take your hand, grab your wrist behind you, and pull on it, which will pull your shoulders back, and then release, and there you are in good posture, as opposed to being like this.
Yeah, so just remember, sometimes I'll do this and I'll kind of go like this, but you got to remember
and I'll
to
even be
chin
walking
tuck.
along while I do it.
Yeah.
Sometimes.
Maybe that'll be like the end thing.
Like a professor. Next thing, Brad, you have a little surprise in your pocket, don't you?
Oh, yes, yes.
Oh, I'm glad that's what it is. All right.
So what are we going to do with this, Bob?
We can do some spread apart.
There you go. So you can just get any kind of a stretch band. This happens to be one of our loop bands, but it doesn't matter. It's for a little resistance. And then you can work it here and squeeze those shoulder blades together.
You can do it anytime. You can do it when you're sitting. You can do it when you're walking.
Right.
You can do it and you can throw it back in your pocket.
There you go.
So, Brad, how about, whenever you're going to sit on a couch or a recliner, something soft, maybe even in your car, you should use some type of support. A throw pillow works well for a couch or a recliner.
Yeah, especially something that's soft and squishy. You need a little more volume, and plus it kind of blends right in when you sit. I use these all the time.
I never sit on a couch without grabbing a pillow.
Yeah, we've increased our throw pillows in the last number of years.
They're everywhere.
So make sure you have one available. And I can feel this is so much nicer than this.
This next one, Brett, I'm sorry to cut you off.
No, that's all right.
This next one, I see so many people. They have their cell phone and they just go like this.
Why the cell phone? Yeah, you're all scrunched.
It's very simple. You just shorten your arms.
Yeah.
You can support your elbows off your body if you want, but just bring it up like this.
Do you have to have both hands up?
Well, I do.
Yeah.
But you can go like this one hand, and they type with one hand. But this is, it's going to be bad for your upper back.
And I think they've actually made devices where you can hang your phone up off your shoulders. Didn't we see that once? If not, maybe we should make one so you can just have your cell phone hanging there and promoting good posture. And you can use your hands for something else.
Sure. All right.
Just an idea.
Moving right along. All right. Next one is the Mike's invention, the ball in the back. We love this one.
A softball, like used for kickball, not a basketball or
dodgeball.
Or a dodgeball would be good, but not a soccer ball. That'd be too hard. Put it here, anywhere between the shoulder blades, up or down in there. And then you lean back into it and just relax. Do a little chin tuck with it and stretch and roll the ball wherever you need to get more extension. A lot of times you will go, and it'll go crack, 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 crack. Oh, that's a good deal.
It's a great one to have around your chair that you work on because it's so simple and you can adjust it.
Right. And you can even use this lying on the floor on your back. But we're not going to do that for this.
All right. Brad, do you want to show the whole computer setup here?
Yeah.
Another one that we see quite often. I see people, they'll put it in a lap and they'll sit in bed.
Yeah, or like this on a low level.
Exactly.
Or like this.
Yeah.
Things are just getting tore apart. So elevate it however you want. Get some boxes.
You can buy a stand if you want.
Yep.
Make it look good.
Get it up. And actually, I would want this a little bit higher.
Yeah, a little bit higher. Yep.
And then, if you got a laptop, go get yourself a wireless keyboard for about $20. Get it hooked up and As I 120 words a
Yeah.
minute like this. Actually not, but you look at my posture's good,
He
my head is
pecks,
up.
he does like 12 words a minute.
Well, yeah, then I swear a lot too
Yeah.
sometimes, bad words. But this, this is no good. This is much
Right.
better. So
Exactly.
do some simple things.
Extra
with your,
keyboard is so inexpensive. I
Mhm.
mean, don't
Yeah.
make us come out there and
Yeah, we
slap
don't
you.
want to see that kind of thing.
All right, next one is, hey, Brad, if you don't mind coming over here just for a minute.
Oh yeah. What are you gonna do?
I just want to show you that this quite often, this area right in here is quite often flexed in bad posture. Why don't you show from the side first?
This.
Very often.
Ooh.
And that's really tough to correct because these are tight structures that are really tough, fibrous material. So what we need is we take a ball, like a tennis ball, and you lie on it on the floor,
Mhm.
and you can hit these three spots. Here's the spine. Hit this one, two, three, four, five, six. Just for like 20 seconds each, lie on them. Bring your arms overhead, let them stretch. But you can also take a ball in a sock if it's too aggressive for you and actually lean up against the wall.
Get it, we're lined up where it needs to be. And there. Nice thing about here, it's easier. You can roll it.
Right.
It feels good. You can feel those tight knots getting worked out. There we go. Yeah. Carry on, Bob.
There
I'm,
you go.
I'm
The
having
final one,
fun.
Brad, is, we usually start with this one, but we actually finish
What?
with it, is just doing a chin tuck in your car when you're driving.
Oh yeah.
So you're actually going to tuck your chin in like this.
Yeah.
You don't want to go up. You don't want to go down. You just go back,
Mm,
and you can provide a little extra pressure using your
yeah.
fingertips, but keep your hands on your steering wheel, right?
Oh yeah. When you're driving, you
Right.
don't do that, of course.
But I mean, it's you can do it safely in
Yeah.
a car. People
Mhm.
will look at you and wonder what that chicken is doing in the car.
They'll say, "Look at they've been watching that damn Bob and Brad
Yeah.
again."
Right.
I'm glad we did that one last because we've been doing that one so many times over
Right.
the years. People would have turned us off in the first one.
Exactly. That's what I was
Yeah.
thinking. So
Yeah.
I'm thinking all the time, Brad.
Yeah, absolutely. You've
Brad and I
always
can
gotta
fix
be.
about anything.
Oh yeah, except for
A broken heart.
right. And this ball in the sock is not going to do
Well,
anything.
you
for
tried
it.
on Valentine's Day. I mean, you gave your wife that ring.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah,
It's
she took
on
it
video.
back.
It's on
yeah,
video.
Yeah, she took it back.
Took it back.
Yeah,
Took it back to where?
to the jeweler.
She wants to buy something else.
No, she had to get it fitted to her ring.
Oh, got it. Got it.
I got everyone.
Yeah. All right. Thanks for watching.